Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. We're going to surprise Lindsay. We're going to meet her today. Like I was telling you guys, I did her son's headstone. So we're going to meet her and I guess some of her family. They're offering us lunch today, so I'm definitely going. We're on Route 416, I think. So we're heading there. And we got a horsefly up in here. But other than that, yeah, we're on our way. So other than that, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thank you deeply for all the love, the support, and everything you guys have done for me as well. So, thank you, thank you. And I'm on my way. This is CJ signing out. Peace. This is CJ the Traveler Man. I definitely want to thank everybody for joining me today. And I also definitely want to thank the Kitchens family and Lindsay also and her sister and the rest of the family for also inviting me out to have an awesome lunch. So I'm gonna let you know I'm getting ready to have some Burgoo. I'm getting ready to taste it, and definitely let me thank everybody for everything you've done for me and everything. Like I said, it means a lot to me. So you're a blessing to me for also letting me get out and do the work for you as well. Like I said, some people aren't able to do it, and I do understand that. Like I said, there's things that come in between, and we have stuff that comes up. So like I said, other than that, just reach out to me anytime. And anytime you want to talk, just message me. I'm free, I'm open. And definitely, I'm getting ready to dive into this because, like I said, I want to share it with you guys. I want to let you know my experience. And I definitely want to thank Miss Kitchen for, preparing me this lunch today. It was a blessing, and it means a lot to me. So other than that, let me go ahead and dive into this, and I want you guys to see me eat. And I'm gonna drink my tea. I'm definitely gonna drink my tea. I gotta give a shout out to Uncle Phil, because I know we're always talking about tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink some tea. Got some tea. So remember that, Uncle Phil. And we're getting ready to try the Burgoo. That is good. It's a lot of meat too. And they say you can add crackers too, so see what we got here. But yeah, this is good. Thank you. So let's try it with the cracker as well. I'm dripping a little on my mouth, but hey, this is good. I can eat all of this. Thank you, Miss Kitchen. This is great. But yeah, this is good. And I definitely want to thank everyone for joining me today. And also, like I said earlier in the video, to surprise Lindsay for cleaning her headstone. And thank you for reaching out as well. So, other than that, like I said, if you need anything, let me know. This is CJ the Traveler Man. I'm getting ready to finish eating my lunch. I'm heading to work. So, enjoy the show. And like I said, put God in everything that you do. Definitely put God in everything you do. Definitely. Like I said, everything will work out right. Like I said, if you trust in Him, believe in Him, and share His love, He will give it back. Definitely He will give it back. And I'm seeing it every day, and every time I do something for somebody new, Sorry, I'm trying to eat, but other than that, yeah, like I said, put your trust, your love, and everything into God. And like I said, He will guide you the right way. And I always had a quote, or one of the scriptures I read all the time. So it's Psalms 91. So if you like Psalm 91 and you need peace, and you're having a hard time sleeping, read Psalms 91, verse 1 to 16. It'll help you. I'm telling you, God will protect you in everything you do. So other than that, I gotta get to eating. So I love you guys. I love all the support, everything, but I gotta eat. I'm definitely hungry. So other than that, tune in, see what we do next week. Peace.